This new paper out of Stanford shows that the brain listens to the body to guide emotions, and it's pretty remarkable. So you know how when you're stressed or anxious, your heart rate goes up? Well, that's your heart listening to your brain and getting you ready for whatever challenge you're about to take on. But what about the opposite? If your heart rate went up, would your brain respond by becoming anxious? This was first proposed in the late 1800s by philosopher William James, and the question's been virtually impossible to answer, until now. Stanford neuroscientist Carl Deisseroth and his lab built a system where they could strap a mouse into a little vest and control its heart rate. And what they found was this. When they increased the heart rate to about double the normal resting rate and put the mice through behavioral tests, the mice started to behave as if they were anxious. In mice, that looks like avoiding open areas and just being more cautious. Then they showed that when they stimulated the heart like this, there was increased brain activity across a bunch of different regions, one of which is called the insula. Now, this is a really cool brain region because it's involved in sensing your internal state called interoception. For example, the insula is activated in people monitoring their own breathing and their own heart rate. The researchers wanted to know if the insula was causing this anxious behavior in response to the increased heart rate. So they turned down the activity in the insula while stimulating the heart, and what they found was that the mice did not show anxious behaviors, suggesting that the insula does listen and respond to heart rate to drive emotion. So the brain does listen to the heart, and William James was right. Of course, it's still true that the heart also listens to the brain. It's just that it's a two-way road. I'm Dr. Brain. Follow for more neuroscience.